welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing my squishy collection and I'm so excited to do this video. So let's just get on. Okay, so first I'm going to start. So I actually have homemade squishies and regular squishies in this video because reason why is because I do not have a lot of homemade squishies at all, so I just thought 2 in 1 would be okay for now. But yeah, so let's just get on with the video. So I'm gonna start off with my I better keep them in this bin, and I'm gonna start off with my squishies that aren't homemade. So I got one. So I got this little bear. Sorry if you don't like talking in squishy collections, but I'm just going to be doing it.
Are you ready to eat?
And I believe I got this in like a 30-piece squishy bag or something. And then I have this french fries from Michael's, and it's super defected on the back. It's like peeling off and stuff, but it's not surprising at all. The other one isn't really surprising either. It's like a bear. The next one is a soft and slow squishy, and I got this from AC Moore, I believe. Is it called AC Moore? I don't know. Or Michael's. Yeah, probably AC Moore, because that's it is so amazing, and it's a little husky, and it's like a turquoise color. I have one more squishy. I'll be right back. Squishy that I went upstairs to get was this one. And it's also from AC Moore. Because the sale was they were really $5 each, but there was 2 for $5, so it was $5 for 2 of them. This has a little, it's a brownie, and it's super airy. Can you hear this? Wait.
Liv, you want a piece of this or not?
No, thank you.
Ready?
And it's like a raspberry on top. It's super airy. Can you hear that? So airy. I have this emoji one, and it is white. I don't know why it was yellow. And then on the back it's blue because this was my cousin's, and he probably and she probably colored on it. Sorry.
You give me any more?
And I used that in my squishy day video, and it has snack Mary. Super dirty.
Who's Manny? No. Where's Manny?
That I got from Target.
No.
So we'll have this panda that is super hard that I got at Walgreens.
Here, water food. Oh, thanks. Have an apple too? When you're done.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can have this one.
I'm putting all these.
Where is that apple?
I have this. And it's from Walgreens, and it's super hard.
I know. One time he shoved it in his mouth before he sat down.
I have this.
No, really, he did that. Mom's sitting down. Doesn't even care.
Sorry, it's super low to the ground. I have this cookie thing. The spread from what is it called?
Megan's in her early 20s, right? She was like a baby when Samantha
Where did I
was
get
born,
this?
right?
Dollar General? Yeah, Dollar General. And it's super
Megan.
it's got cracks in it, and
Isn't she like in her 20s?
On the back there was air bubbles, and they I popped them. Well, ripped it off.
He ate like 5
But it's super
7 things
sticky.
today and he's still fucking hungry.
So
That's goddamn.
so I have this
That's
cat.
what's his
I don't
name
really have a
from,
lot of squishies, but
Stand
I
By
have
Me.
this cat. This emoji bun. I'm not gonna really say where I got these because I don't really know. I don't know where I got
until
this
he
more,
comes out
or I don't know where I got
to
this
eat.
either. Because
Looks like I never eat.
I don't really know where I got these, some of those squishies. That's why I'm not saying it. I got this cracker, I have no idea where I got it.
Shark Black. Is he half?
From Walgreens, I have this
Look, don't you like their song?
Alright, eat your dinner. Come on. No, can you please use your phone?
this
not mine?
donut from, I don't know. This
Look
like
at what's his name?
piece of
Odell
bread. I don't
Beckham.
even know what that is.
I'm gonna show Dad.
This panda bun, and this is the only panda bun I have because I don't really have this like pudding thing, and the filling came out, or the whipped cream or something on it, and it kind of came. Some of the stuff kept here because it's stuff in my collection. And I have this like cone, and
Sit down first.
it's not really a squishy. It's supposed to be like a stress ball thing. Stress toy. I don't really know. It's not really squishy.
Thanks.
I wrote something on it. Just don't look at that, please. Because it's really. I'm just gonna hold it because I don't want you guys to see. I'm holding it. It's like a stress ball or stress toy. So, yeah. Not really. I have this toast I got from a squishy package. This like really dirty money thing. I don't even know what it is. Like it's. I think it's supposed to be marshmallow. This like cupcake from like Walgreens, and it's crap. Super defective there.
Mom, can people die of weight problems?
Oh yeah, this is from there.
Uncle Anthony, can people?
This donut.
Can you die of diabetes?
Sorry about the talking about those. My parents and stuff. What's my favorite?
I know there was
So,
another.
Wait, didn't you
another
say
donut.
Grandpa's
I don't know
mom
where I
died
got these
of
either.
diabetes?
Some of these I don't even know. This emoji I got from like Target. It was like a bond. It was a bond bag.
Yeah.
And I got from Target. This macaroon from like
Uncle Anthony said
Walgreens.
she did.
And some of these squishies from Walgreens because I went to Walgreens and I just got a bunch of squishies. And I actually read
Yeah,
it
it was
because I thought I could probably make it look like someone took a bite out of it, but like I failed
Where's
at
the
it, so
napkins?
My,
it did turn out really bad.
What does he mean by
that?
maternal and biological?
It's like a rule kinda or something. I think that's what you look at. Face or something. This panda like thing, and it looks like
If I'm done this one, can I have a third one?
this is from here. Hello Kitty donut. This like sushi that's not so rising at all. It's like a piece of squishy. Well, sushi. This is like sushi, but I don't know what tape. It's super hard. Like when you squish it, it's not so rising at all. It doesn't even like. Survive.
Mom, can you be handicapped and have dyslexic too?
This like emoji. That's,
Even
like,
cancer?
it's super. I don't know. It's like a stress toy, kind of. I don't know. And then, oh yeah, this is like the only panda thing I really have. Well, I have like that. The only panda things I have are this. So I have this like panda bun. And this panda. And this panda. So I don't really have a lot of panda things. I don't have like a real jumbo panda bun. So yeah. This heart from like
Can you get
sushi
weighed at
package.
Wiley,
And I don't really know what it's doing. It's like,
They can weigh you?
what? That's like
How much does Uncle Anthony weigh?
I don't know.
200?
what is this?
I don't know.
Dumpling?
Less?
those are the latest.
This is like a dumpling or a steam
I don't know
bun.
what that's
Can
supposed to be.
I don't know what it is at all. In the comments down below, let me know because it's like a dumpling or a steam bun. I don't know what that is. This from my friends. I don't know.
You
I got this from my cousin.
I eat it quick before they
I
come
got
to the
this
table.
from
Drink your water bottle. We got enough snacks down there too, nigga.
got from my cousin.
What the
And
fuck?
it's got another air bubble I just picked off because I just saw that now. And it's like Paw Patrol. It's like a squishy. I got these in Walmart. It comes in a pack. I don't know where the other ones are because probably gave. Well, my cousin had like in like a 4-pack. They can get them at Walmart.
My
And he gave me
average.
one, but it's like super like fitting. It's okay, yes.
Shark
On camera, it's not. It doesn't really
Is
look
he?
like it's fading. Can you see that it's fading a little bit? But it's okay. This like
Is it a bad thing to
cookie
be
thing
short?
from a squishy package.
Does it matter?
It doesn't matter.
This piece of bread. Don't really know what it's supposed to be. This
that
ice
the
cream
peanut
from
Average, I think.
Walgreens, I think.
Short, right?
I don't know. And then this one squishy package. I'm not gonna wait for these reds, so I'm gonna get through these quickly. And then this like macaroni
shorter
that I
for
colored like filling
think
on it,
so.
but like it got messed up, so it could kind of like a fail. This thing, I don't know what it does. What kind of face is that? I don't even know. That's ugly, but it's a face. So
You know,
it's
Uncle
like,
Anthony ever
so look at my
wanted
face.
to get
Cute.
married?
It's really cute.
One.
This like donut with like it's bitten.
Did you want to get married ever, Anthony?
Yeah.
To who? No one in particular.
Wait, Mom. Even if he did have a kid,
Okay,
wouldn't
so
he be an
this
aunt?
thing.
Wouldn't that be my cousin?
Yeah.
And my aunt if he did have a kid?
And this, I just didn't say what they were because I had no clue what they were with.
You want to eat your apple?
I want more. I want another one like. Well, you know who Bull
It's
Haley
like Paul Cart.
was?
I don't know what.
Arm wrestler.
Like donut from like I don't know where.
Can that could be a vampire?
Yeah.
Can you?
That's right.
Yeah. Sorry.
People really.
This just fell like that. Like.
I don't know.
Oh yeah,
No,
sorry.
the-
I can't get it back down.
the
The last one was
Can you be 8 feet?
water toys. So that was my whole entire squishy collection. Now time for my
Remember who died.
the next, and I'm gonna put these all back, and then I will get back to you guys with my homemade squishy collection. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on with my homemade ones, and they're super bad. So these are kind of like paper because mostly paper. Because I don't really know how to make them out of, I don't really know how to make them out of sponge because they're kind of hard to shape and stuff. So I don't really make them. So I only have like a Christmas series. That's the only paper squishy I make. And they have like other ones. So I keep them in this Walmart shopping cart for like their dolls because I don't really use it anymore. But yeah, so it's really nice. The first ones aren't really paper. So the first ones aren't really paper squishies, but yeah. So the first one I like paint it. And then there was a hole that ripped, and I taped it, but I don't know why I did that, but I could have just like that. Can I get some fabric glue? It kind of looks like I cut this myself because it's crooked, you know what I mean? Kinda or something. But I actually didn't cut this out myself. I actually bought the shape, and I used puffy paint for the top. And I actually bought it. Well, it wasn't really a kit, but I bought this donut thing. I showed this one, but I didn't use their paint. I used my own paint because it's probably not good quality or something. So yeah. The next one isn't really a paper squishy either. It's this bag of cotton balls, and then I just added a little accessory, it's like a little bow. And then there's a part, but it's not really so rising at all, but alright, so yeah, but that's not nice. And then I have this crackling. Can you hear that? Crackling pear. I mean apple. Like, why would an apple crack? I don't know, but I just decided to make it crackling. It doesn't really make a lot of sound, but okay. I don't know if you know this or not, but my old channel used to be called Olivia Loves. That's my old channel. But I deleted that channel. It used to be called Olivia Loves, so I was going to go there. And it was super bad.
Cat is a kid.
Pretty bad. But, yeah. So, I used to use glue or like hot glue to glue these together, but it didn't work out so great, so now I like staple them. Use a staple. So I made this lemon that kind of looks like a pineapple, but kind of not. So it's supposed to be like a lemon slice with leaves, but it turned out as like a fail. And then these french fries. So yeah, those are, and then I have my Christmas series, so my Christmas series has Santa Claus, hat is silly, and then Santa's body eyes is better when it's under. So he's got some green eyes, I got a pink nose, and a smile, and then this doesn't really look like a beard, but whatever. So yeah. And then that's the first one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the collection. And then there's this Christmas cookie that says to Santa from Olivia. It's like a Christmas cookie. This Christmas ornament. And then lastly, presents. And these are all made out of paper. It's not slurring at all, but there is, I can tell you, stuffing in it because to prove it, it's like, see that? The stuffing is, I use tissue to stuff it up, like that, so it like kind of turns out as like a circle, because I don't really make other squishies besides, yeah. That's my whole squishy collection / homemade, so thank you guys for watching, bye. Oh yeah, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Bye. Okay, ready?
Mom, did you ever meet Renee's cousin?
Ready?
Yeah.
Bye.
Wait, doesn't Michelle